If you are spending money on mobile ads and not tracking ROAS, you are not marketing, you are guessing. Today we are breaking down ROAS or return on ad spend and why it is one of the most important metrics in the mobile marketing industry. Imagine spending $1,000 on ads and having no idea how much revenue came back from it. ROAS is the metric that answers that exact question. It tells you how much revenue your ads generate for every dollar you spend. What is ROAS? ROAS stands for Return on Ad Spend. It measures the revenue earned from advertising compared to the amount spent on those ads. If you spend $1,000 on ads and generate $5,000 in revenue, your ROAS is 5. That means you earned $5 for every dollar spent on advertising. In mobile marketing, ROAS is one of the clearest indicators of campaign performance because it focuses on revenue and not just installs or clicks. Why ROAS matters in mobile marketing? Mobile marketing is not about acquiring the most users, it is about acquiring the right users. ROAS helps marketers understand which campaigns, channels, and creatives are actually driving revenue. Without ROAS, teams often optimize for vanity metrics like impressions or installs, which do not always translate into real business growth. ROAS versus ROI. ROAS is often confused with ROI, but they are not the same. ROAS measures revenue generated from advertising alone. ROI measures overall profitability, including operational and business costs. In mobile performance marketing, ROAS is used for faster and more precise campaign level decision making. How to calculate ROAS? To calculate ROAS, take the total revenue generated from ads and divide it by total ad spend. For example, if your campaign generates $10,000 in revenue and costs $2,000 to run, your ROAS is 5. This calculation helps marketers quickly understand whether a campaign is profitable or needs optimization. What is a good ROAS? There is no universal good ROAS. It depends on your app's business model, margins, and user lifetime value. For many mobile apps, an ROAS between 3 and 4 is considered healthy. However, subscription-based or high lifetime value apps may aim for higher benchmarks. The key is to compare ROAS against your own historical performance and profitability goals. ROAS with other metrics. ROAS becomes significantly more powerful when combined with other metrics like lifetime value, retention rate, and cohort analysis. This approach helps marketers understand not just whether users generate revenue, but whether they continue to do so over time. This is where sustainable growth comes from. Summarize, ROAS measures how efficiently your advertising spend generates revenue. It helps mobile marketers optimize budgets, identify high-performing campaigns, and scale growth intelligently. ROAS is not just a metric, it is a decision-making tool. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one. Check the links in the description to stay up to date with Apptrove and explore more mobile marketing insights.